welcome back to another video here in the workshop. It's been a little bit since I've uploaded. So this is actually going to be going out like just before the update video. Some things have changed, so just bear with me there. I'll tell you guys hopefully within the next couple of videos. I've been busy working on my car. I had to do a transmission swap. That started Monday, ended Wednesday night, and then just been working on other things. Decided actually to make a video on this just in case this might be some content you guys might like. So here we have exhaust manifold from my 91 Toyota MR2 non-turbo, and it's basically this is gonna be a short little sandblasting video. I'll sandblast a little, or I'll video a little bit of sandblasting, and I'll bring you guys back in once we get to going out there. And then, so really the only things that you need to worry about on this, I'm gonna try my best not to hit right here, but I'm gonna clean up this little gasket surface here because it's still got a bunch of the gasket left on it. Then I'm gonna clean it all up. Same thing as here. I don't know if you guys can see how bad that is. We're gonna resurface that by hand. This doesn't need to. This just is gonna need to look pretty, and then we will sandblast all there, and we might do a little bit in here just to clean up all the carbon deposits. But so basically, we're gonna be turning this thing from this little rust bucket here to nice and shiny cast iron. It's ceramic coating, header paint. So let's go over what all we're going to be taking out there. We're going to be taking this out, the intake manifold, the now no longer catalytic converter. Punched it all out because I live in a county where we don't have emissions testing, luckily. And then we're also going to restore this heat shield as well. This bolts, and then if you're here at this stage, I took this apart prior to doing the video, but if you're here and if you're trying to do this, basically the only place that this goes is just right here. So now that you see where it goes, you have 3 bolts, one there, one there, one there, and then the final 2 are one there and one there. And where it is on the manifold is you have the 3 right here, and you have one here, and I found mine to be a 12mm. Yours could be different if they've been changed. So let's get out to the sandblaster and get this going. So here we're putting parts in the sandblaster within arm's reach. So first we're going to start off with the decatted catalytic converter, and then the heat shield. Totally forgot to plug in the sandblaster. Gotta go in the shed. Nice gas tank. If you guys want to see the other side of this painted, let me know by either leaving a like or a comment. Either or works for me. So now sandblaster is plugged in. See if we can clean off this glass a little bit. Now this is going to be a little difficult filming with one hand, but I hope that gives you guys a good enough view here. We'll set this down to where it doesn't want to roll anywhere, like right there. Okay, so now we have successfully sandblasted the heat shield and the decatted catalytic converter. So, as you guys can see, just about everything's gone on it. All the rust, all the oxidation of the stainless steel, everything. And then on this, I only worried about where the rust was. So, now we're going to go get the header from in here. This shouldn't take too long at all, so I'll knock this out and then I'll bring you guys back. I'm actually going to go put my phone in the garage so that way it doesn't overheat out here in the hot sun. And then just in case you guys are wondering, the evaporust is working. I don't know how well you guys can see it down there. But it is actually falling down and sliding down the way it should be. So I haven't had any issues since I've done that. But I'll see you guys in the garage. So now we're back in the garage. Parts are all sandblasted. Didn't take very long. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually get them out here back onto the cardboard. We're going to get them all wiped down, and then I'll see you guys when we're out there and painting. This is going to have to be made into a short little part 2 unless I can figure out how to merge clips, because it totally just accidentally closed out the other video. So this is just going to be a little sample of painting the parts. You guys can see here, sandblasted. I have this stuff. It's the very high temperature VHT flameproof paint. Specifically for headers, it's a ceramic coating, 1300 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just what we want. Make sure you shake up your rattle can good. And then just, I'm holding about 14 inches away from it. And basically all we're doing is making sure we just do light coats. Like, it doesn't look like I'm doing light coats, but I really am. It just matches the color of the metal much more. It is getting to be a little windy, so I'm only going to be doing this part here. In this video. So basically, make sure you get full coverage on everything. And then in about another 2-3 minutes, because it's Arizona, I'll be able to go back over it with coat number 2, and then after another like 5-6 minutes, coat 3. And I'm just making sure I coat everything because I want this to look good and last. So, if you guys enjoyed this video here, I'm not sure if I've been showing much of the painting at all, but it's actually pretty windy to be painting outside today. But if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely leave a like or even comment below. It just knows that it lets me know that you guys enjoy the content and that you guys want to see more of it. So I will catch you guys on the next episode here with the workshop, and I'll see you in the next one.